Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome your faces. Now just a quick thing before we go, I'm actually not the one who's going to be doing this video. If you can hear my TV, I'm actually playing Black Ops 2 at the moment with friends at the moment. I'm actually playing Black Ops 2, so one of my friends, my good old friend Tom here, is going to be opening the packs. So Tom, after you mate. Tom won't speak in this video. I don't know if he will, I don't know. We'll see first pack. Basically, while I'm playing Call of Duty, he'll open packs. So he might have a little bit of problem. It might be a little delay on Tom, because Tom's probably just going to have a look at the packs. And then he'll show me if anyone's good here. So, hope you guys enjoyed my video. It's going on my channel, but it's Tom who's recording it for me. So, shout out to my best friend Tom here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. You'll hear me speaking in the video as well. Oh, boom. Look a kill. Like our boss, like our boss. Everyone wants it. Like our boss, like our boss. Bye. Like our boss, like our boss. Yeah. I don't think anyone's taking on my team. Oh, shit. Oh, I lost that. Yeah, I haven't got my microphone, so I forgot my microphone back at home. It's so bad, and we're in London at the moment, so I forgot my microphone. I took the Xbox with me, but somehow I managed to forget my microphone, and I'm not travelling 2 hours just to get a bloody... I'm not travelling 2 hours just to get an actual, basically, microphone. No. Oh, bitch, you don't even go for me there. You got anyone good yet, Tom? No? Oh, Jesus, got a left mid 79 rated player. Jesus. Oh, legend! Wait, what? Oh my god, he's got a legend. Oh my god, Tom's already got a legend. 87 rated, loss, and legend. Nice one, Tom. Go for it, Tom. He's got a legend. Congratulations. I'm watching him playing this at the same time. Jeez. Oh, really? Like, 4 to 5? Seriously, have I? Wow, I'm not actually not doing too bad. See if you can get Team of the Year, Tom. Tom, see if you can get Team of the Year. Do you know what? I'm going to smash everyone with my MP7. See if you get Team of the Year. If you do, you can tell me, mate, bitch. Oh my god, you got Suarez. Sweet. He's whispering. He doesn't really want his voice in the video, so he's whispering. So no one can hear him. One. Oh, Jesus, that made me jump. So you've had a legend, and you've had an 87 rated legend, sorry, and a Suarez. I'm just doing a Suarez. Are you getting anyone now? This goes straight on my channel. Yeah, I'll put it straight on my channel after you've recorded it. I want to see if you get a Team of the Year first. That's your challenge, I'm saying that. Right here. You got an inform. So I'm not really speaking, I'm really trying to concentrate, but still. Shaquai. Not bad inform, 81 rated. And another one. Did you get that on? Windy it. Did you get third? No, you're just getting on there. So the reason I'm actually playing Call of Duty 2, guys, sorry, just setting them up your head. Yo there, you got bended. So yeah, basically the reason why I'm playing Call of Duty 2, Black Ops 2 is basically I have got I've got like a little tournament thing. I play like mini tournaments, not like professional events. I play little tournaments. I'm in a tournament. I go to tournaments sometimes to play Call of Duty, but I don't play professional. And that's what I'm trying to do on my new channel. Play professional. But basically I'm in a little I'm in a mini tournament sometimes. And basically we've got a mini tournament next weekend, so I've got to kind of practice a lot to see if I can get through. So I haven't been doing well the last couple of tournaments. I've been getting through to the groups, but I've just not been getting into the quarters or semis or anything. So I'm gonna try my best. It's hard. This major tournament coming up. No, this mini tournament. Sorry, what's coming up is so hard. I just have to say it's really hard. It's the hardest one out there, and I've got to go to places. I think I've got to go to Carlisle for it. I think, is it Carlisle, Tom? Yeah, Carlisle. Yeah, I've got to go to Carlisle for the next tournament. My next mini tournament is like a play card. I think I'm playing Black Ops 1. Or am I playing Black Ops 1 or 2? Don't know. Tom, we don't ever know. I think we're playing Black Ops 1, which is annoying. Fucking hell, it's so hard to play. And we play online as well, that's the problem. We're playing against a lot of people online, like other people who play tournaments. Oh wow, 16-16. So yeah, basically it's really hard, but sometimes, Counter-Strike, like we have mini tournaments where I can play Black Ops 3, which I don't think we're doing for a while. Others we play Black Ops, one's an Advanced Warfare, and I think we should be doing one. I'm pretty sure we're doing one for Black Ops 2 as well. So I'm thinking we've got Black Ops 2, I think. But I think it's Search and Destroyed ones. We play Search and Destroyed in the groups. While the other two mini tournaments I play on Advanced Warfare, Black Ops 3, we play at the groups a team deathmatch, basically. So not too bad. The last 16 requires uplinked sometimes, or it'll be a different. It might be a different one. If it's Black Ops 2, we might be doing a different one. They choose it for us most of the time. Last date, definitely capture the flag. Semi-finals. Semi-finals is hard point of domination. Third place final, if we do get there, is free for all, and the finals is another Search and Destroy. Unless it's all Search and Destroy final. Do you get it? So yeah, that's how we do it. So I thought I'd explain. I'm into it. My friend Tom's pack opening. I'm speaking as well. I'm pretty much speaking about playing Black Ops. I'm on 18 to 22 times really. And then I talk about my thing. You got Henderson. Let's see who you get in this one. Nothing. I want you to get 18 of the year. Oh, double kill. Don't try, bitch. I've never played Oh, that is not nice. Why me? Come on, baby. So yeah, I'm just playing with some friends online. Who are currently they are in London with us, but they're in a different hotel rooms. We're in a hotel. Oh my god, you got informed Danny Alves. Well done, Tom. Nice pack. Oh, I'm sorry. They can't hear me, but I'm so sorry. I'm riding solo. Solo. want to watch football, you get in this one. Rare. It's good. No, it's not. It's just not. Oh, sneak attack. I knew you'd be up there somewhere. I knew someone was up there. I could hear shooting. Motherfucker. Does it. Oh wow. Run solo. A man solo. Really? Oh, fucking things are annoying. Tom needs to go. Get out of the way, man! What are you doing? I'm just gonna laugh. Oh no. Yes. Wow, we're doing well now, 31-27. Damn it. Well, we was doing well. What? Oh my god, you got purple Guerra. I've already had him though, that's the problem. Nice one. Jesus. Wow. Purple Guerra he just got, but I've already had him. Bam! There, I think that was it. Van Solo, I'm Van Solo. Come on, get Team of the Year. Yeah, I'll challenge you to get Team of the Year by the time this video stops. Don't even have to say bye. If the video stops, then it's over. Left back in form. Oh, it's him. Not bad. Another one. Shit. Who'd you get? Bartera. In from Bartera. Wow. Come on, get the purples, man. I've already had 4 purple. I haven't actually had a purple. You get purple, smacked in the face. I won't, am I joking? I won't be happy with you. I'd abandon you to be... I will ban you from being here. Oh, really? Inform! No. I just know that is not the best inform at all. Don't ask why. Don't ask. Mendy as well.
Fire up! Push it out! Attack reload.
What? I didn't know you was there. Schneiderlin. I didn't know you was there. I didn't know he was there. So your best player, I think, is still Suarez, isn't it? If you count legend in, he was an 87 rated legend. But your best, I think, is a Suarez normally. Yeah, thought so. Don't talk, speak. Are you shy? I thought so. Caesar Milan. Why don't you leave? Why don't you do like a no look pack or something? I'll tell you who you get after this one. Yeah. I'll try it now. Go. Yep. Oh my god, you got Messi. I'm joking. Ow, I'm joking. I'm joking. No, you got Lucas, if you see it. Wow. You're not getting anyone. I'm watching you and playing this at the same time. You're really not getting anyone now. Except shitty influence. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh. Him again. Wow. Oh, piss off, you little prick. Wow. That, he's got 54. Jesus. You got the little bender again. Little bender. Little bender. I suppose like that spray gun. Right, why don't you go back downstairs off the loft? Nah, why don't you leave the room? Or leave the room pack thing. Right, go down the loft or something. Alright, cool. Go, go, go! He jumped off the bloody top off the loft. That is crazy. He actually jumped from the top to the bottom, guys. Jeez, that is scary. I'm gonna mess up his back up. See if we can get him before he comes. Yeah, you can come up now. I promise. Yeah. Here it comes. Mate, you had no one, I promise you. I don't know what cards you had, but I messed up it. But I promise you, I opened 2 or 3 other packs and it was the same as what you got. You had a bronze, I promise. You can even check the recording if you want. I'm sorry. I seriously promise you. Check the recording after if you don't believe me. I promise you, you got no one, so I'm mucked up. Try to get you someone more bad. I actually don't know who you got. Took my KLs. That is not nice. Are we winning? Yes. By 5 points. Shit. Really? Really? Are you getting anyone? Oh, wow. Colombian Ramos. Fake Ramos. I would rather play a league game on your face. Oh my god! You got him again! You got him again, Lawson. Once again, you got another legend, but he is the same legend as who you've had every moment. Just wow. Really, just wow. You got the same legend as you got earlier in the video. Jesus, that is ridiculous. 2 Lawsons, that's all you've had is 2 Lawsons. Uh-oh. Oh, really? Rocket launch. Damn it. Really, that was not nice and fair. That was not fair. Really, that's not fair. Who'd you get? Oh, for money. However, you got another one. Hang on, I want to watch this. It's Raphael. I just know, I get them all a lot. Oh, for God's sake! Seriously? Really? Really, guys? Come on, that's not fair. Oh, look, they're winning by 2 points. That's not fair. 2 points, yeah. I couldn't leave down, that wasn't fair. Fulham. Shit, Fulham. I bet you just wish you didn't open packs, did you? See, you don't have the pack luck. No one's ever, we all haven't had Team of the Year yet. I've got blue. Do you want me to open one? See if I've got lucky pair. Yeah. Ready. Inform. CM. No one? Oh, I can one more. I think I've got the same pack luck as you. 20 minutes to go. 20 minutes to go. Come on, Team of the Year. Anyone for Team of the Year? You had one legend twice. Oh my god, look at that. I'm actually playing so bad. Do you know what? Sodja, you really want to battle? Let's snipe at them next time. Your class will change the next time you spawn. Oh god, you got... you got him. 3 times you've had this legend, man. Come on. That is ridiculous. How can you have the same legend where you've done Andong Kong? Oh, wow. Just wow. Oh, wow. I didn't really aim. And there's millions of you get. Fuck's sake. I can't use the sniper. He has a legend. Ah, you got a different legend. You got Costa. The legend Costa. Finally, you got someone different. Well, I'll give you some good news. At least you got a different legend. Well done. Oh, fuck it. You got an inform again. You had an 82 rated inform. It's alright. It's alright. Still shit, but it's alright. Oh my god, I'm ridiculous at this game. Shoot straight. It's alright. I never use snipers. That's ridiculous. I'll tell you what I will use. Tell you what I'll use the next time I spawn. The shotgun thing. Finally we come back. Right, that is it. No, I've had enough. You got an inform. It's Rami. Not Remy, Rami. And you got another one. No. He's 8. It's alright, it's an 82 rated. I'm not looking anymore what you're getting because it's distracting me. Unless you get something great and an inform. Unless it's over 85 rated inform, I want to know. Or purple. If you get purple, if you get anything else, you don't remember there. You got missing? Oh Jesus! No, you didn't. Bloody prankster. What is that from you pranking me earlier? I was doing so well until fucking you interrupted me. Okay. Ah. Oh, for fuck's sake. I can't get anyone. Ready? Let's do this. You fucking retards. We winning? No, we're really not. Tom, I'm not getting absolutely any kills anymore. I'm struggling.
Get out of there! Kills confirmed.
No, pull this up. No, bugger off now there. Stupid person.
Threat neutralized.
I need to have a plan.
Drop it. Fire up. Threat neutralized.
Good grenade kill. Oh, I was gonna go back. I think I just about saw him there.
Be advised. Hostile official drone inbound.
Couldn't move. I actually couldn't fucking move.
Frag out.
Oh no. Out of my way. It's 15 deaths more than kills. Jeez, that's ridiculous. You fake killed. Fake death. Sorry.
Threat neutralized.
Tom, I can't play anymore. This is pissing me off. Oh no. Are you getting me on? You're not even getting no one. Not, you get a few informs, but not good enough to show me. Wow. Here we go. Let's go, let's go.
Threat neutralized.
I've got UAV. No, it's not going well. Come on, baby. Why did I didn't mean to turn the match, which one? Tom, why did you bring the Xbox One? JJ brought it. I brought the Xbox for all of us. Didn't know you wanted it. Because it was going to be packed for it. Are you... Did I kill him? I don't know. Did I knife him? I don't know. Probably not. Don't know if that kills. I died as well sometimes. Oh, Rich is doing so well. Piss me off, Rich. Stupid prick. That one's getting enough. Oh, there we go. Still, your best player is still Suarez. How long have you been recording for? 33 minutes. You gotta stop. You're still going. Jeez, he's still going. That video could be the end, guys. Shall we stop the video? And then I'll put it on charge. Yeah, do about 5 more and then stop the video. First out of 5. And then I'll stop the video. You've not got anyone, have you? Wow. You had a great start and it's just gone all tits up. Just dead. In a matter of minutes and seconds.
Another kill.
So, sorry guys. Inform. No. 4th pack. I'm watching you open these final couple packs. Costa. 1 more. Do you know what? I'm going to do one for the road as well, and then I'll stop the video for you. Ready? Brofist pack. Oh my god, we just got Team of the Year in the final pack of the road pack. Woo! Holy shit! I just got a Team of the Year in the final pack. Oh, get in there. Oh, you suck my balls right now, boy. We just got Team of the Year, Muller. Get in there, guys. Team of the Year, Muller. And it could have all went so well. Wow, Brofist pack works nicely. I'm going to open one more. Do you know what? You've opened one. My turn. See if we get enough. No, we don't. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed Tom playing it. Shout out to Tom. Thanks for recording the video for me. And thank you for giving me a Team of the Year. That's really awesome of you, man. Thank you. I'm so happy to... I'm so happy that you did that for me. Thank you. There you go. Can you take that over for a minute? Cheers. Thanks. Oh wow, that was a great ending. See, once Tom can't get nothing, all I have to do is take one for the road, final pack of the day, and then just get Team of the Year Miller. And then he had one more, and I had another one more, and that was it. Third and final pack. Jeez, nice work, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share if you did enjoy it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.